What's something you didn't pay enough attention to early on that you had to learn the hard way?
Is blocking out other people's opinions to what they think should be the way to do things. It's a little bit of a roundabout answer, but I think I listen to a lot of noise and voices of telling me, and I know the business better than anybody. I'm there from before day one to now, and then you listen to interference from other people of what they think is the right thing to do, and unfortunately it's out of the goodness of their heart.
Yes. They
But
mean well, but they're
they
giving it
mean
on
well, but
their
yeah,
experience.
exactly. And you hear that a couple of times, the same thing, and then you start going down that road, and then you come to the realization is you should have listened to your gut. And then I think that's, for me, is one thing.
That's really good.